All right, here's kind of a look at the Tech 8 course syllabus. It's only about a 50-50 class, half the time in our metal shop, half time in the computer lab. Because of the distance learning, we're going to do the computer lab stuff first from home, and when you're back, metal shop second. So we're going to begin by going over some of these communications assignments. And it's kind of a combination of some graphic designing and some of the skills you're learning in art class as far as theme, form, balance, unity, all that and stuff. We're going to be using a few programs throughout the time here at home. We're not going to use the Photoshop InDesign programs. We use more of an online and friendly program for that one. So be patient the whole process. We'll help you get this figured out day by day. Make sure again you are ready to go. Have your Chromebook charged daily so we can work through the lessons from home pretty easily. We're not going to be doing anything as far as the metal stuff goes, so this don't worry about. This is a personal protective equipment. This we'll have when we're here in the shop. Right now we're not. The big thing here is you guys is you got to do your part. We'll do our part to keep you moving and going, but you guys need to help the whole learning process happen. This kind of like the things you do at home, the time you put into the class, all your classes, your part's critical. We'll do our part, you do your part. This is going to work pretty well. I learned here too that you guys can, if you have a question in the class, just top of your screen, it's a little envelope, click it, email your teacher, ask a question, excellent, that'd be great. We'll have a 70-30 breakdown like most classes have with formative, summative. That's kind of the overall look to it. So we're going to kind of spend the first part of the quarter doing our graphic communications piece. You want to email me, here it is. Call my school number, there it is. This lab fee, for now don't worry about it. We're not sure how much you're going to be actually in school, but we're hoping to be there on the 14th and the work as planned. Big things here are beginning with the graphics. Do your best to do your part and help us out so you guys can have this be a successful distance learning.